Hi guys, this is Raymond and welcome to Bricks Laboratory. I'm here to make a Lego tutorial on how to build couches or sofas and coffee tables. For this video, I will show you how to build two different kinds of sofas. This one and this one. And three variations of coffee tables. 1, 2, and 3. These builds are inspired by this Lego Friends Brickmaster Treasure Hunt in Heart Lake City, a book set from DK Publishing. So let's start with this long sofa. It can accommodate 2 minifigures and is 8 studs wide by 4 studs deep. Include 2 4x4 plates, 1 8x2 plate, 2 1x6 plates, 3 1x6 tiles, 2 1x4 plates, 2 1x2 plates, 2 1x3 bricks with bow, 2 4x1 bricks with bow, and 4 round bricks, 1x1 round bricks. So those are the parts. First step is to get your 2 4x4 plates and 1 8x2 plate and put them together like this. So I'll show you the bottom like that. And then get your 2 1x6 plates. Create the bottom of the couch. The colors will be up to you, depending on your preference. Next is to put all the legs using the round bricks. After putting the legs in, it's time to build the top of the sofa. So get the 3 tiles, 3 1x6 tiles, and place them like this. Okay. Then get the one of the 1x4 plates. Put it here on top, and beside it put a 1x2 plate. So the next step is to place the bricks with bow on the 2 sides, which will serve as an armrest for the couch or the sofa. Finally, we have to build the backrest of the sofa. Get your other 1x4 plate, put it in the middle like that, and the 1x2 plate again in the middle. So you will form a kind of stairway like that, where you will finally place the brick with bows, 1x3 brick with bows like that. Okay, and like that. So that's it, your long sofa. So it can accommodate, as I've said, it can accommodate 2 people or 2 minifigures very comfortably like So the next build is the complimentary coffee table of our first couch. It is an Ottoman style coffee table. All you need are two 2x4 bricks and 4 1x4 tiles of any color. The color of the tiles will be up to you depending on what design or where you're going to place this coffee table. Of course, it should match the colors of your couch. So here is how you build it. Just get these 2 bricks and put the tiles like that. Alternately, if you have 2 different colors, depends on you. So it's just a simple build like that. That's it. These first 2 builds are actually taken from the Brickmaster set that I showed you a while ago. But the next 3 ones are my own designs inspired by these first 2 builds. This modern style couch is supposed to be a leather couch and it accommodates 1 minifigure. The pieces you need are 1 2x6 plate, 2 1x6 plates. Again, the colors depends on you. 1 2x4 plate, 1 1x4 plate, 1 1x2 plate, 2 1x4 tiles, 2 1x3 brick with bows pieces, 1 1x4 by 2/3 plate with bow, 2 1x2 palisade bricks, and finally 4 1x1 round bricks. So I chose this color scheme because I want to have a modern styled sofa. The first step is to get your 2x6 and 1x6 plates and 1x4 and 2x4 plates. Since the build is 3 studs deep, it should be done like this so that they will hold together. So you can see it like that. Next is to put the legs. Like that. The next step is to build the top of the sofa. Place the tiles in this manner, like that. And then this one, like that. So make sure that the 1x6 plate is in front, so that when you put the bricks with bow pieces, it will be secured like that when you put it there. So before you put it, let's put the 1x6 plate at the back, the backrest, for the backrest of the sofa. Then you will put the bricks with bows like that. So it's a more secure building technique. So do it on the other side as well. So that's the armrest. Next is the backrest. Let's get the palisade bricks and put them at the back like that. Then get your 1x2 plate, put it in the middle, followed by the plate with bow on top. So it's that simple. Modern styled couch. Next is the complementary modern table of our modern style couch. Need for this build are 2 2x4 plates, 4 1x2 plates, 2 1x4 tiles, 2 1x2 tiles, and a 2x2 tile. First you get the 2 2x4 plates, then put the tiles like this to make a secure grip, like that. Put these two on the sides, the shorter tiles, and put the 2x2 tile in the middle, so like that. This is the top of the coffee table. For the legs, we will use these 4 1x2 plates. You can actually use 2 2x2 plates, but I ran out of parts, so this is the way to go for me. But if you have 2x2 plates, it's better, it's much secure. So when you put them on top of each other, should serve as the leg of the modern style table. Okay, so the couch can accommodate one minifigure comfortably. You can place 2 minifigures if you want to, but they are cramped up. You may have to move the arms of your minifigures so that they can sit together. Oh wait, so they can sit together like that. A bonus build is this wooden coffee table. This is another simple design, and the parts that you will need: 2x4 plate, 4 1x4 tiles, and 4 1x1 round bricks. For this wooden table, it's much better if you use brown bricks. And for me, I think that the feet of the table would look so much better if we use nose cone pieces rather than these round bricks. However, I don't have enough of those parts in brown, so this is what I used at the moment. Again, as I've said, it's a very simple build. Just take the 2x4 plate and place all the tiles on top like this. And for the feet of the table, just put the round bricks on the bottom. So here are the nose cone pieces that I was talking about. I think this is a much better look for the table. Let me show it to you. But I only have 2 of them. So what do you think? The nose cone feet or the round brick feet? Let me know what you think in the comments. For the meantime, let's just use the round bricks to make it consistent. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this Lego tutorial on how to build couches and coffee tables. If you want more of these kinds of videos, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss anything that we upload. Again, I hope you enjoyed watching this. See you guys next time. Bye! Oh, in case you were wondering, Rafa is playing with his RC buggy